Hello students, let us see this question here. Right, a particle of mass m is moving in circular path of constant radius r such that its centripetal acceleration ac is varying with time as this. So centripetal acceleration is given, that is ac is equal to k square r upon t square, and it is asking the power delivered to the particle by the forces acting on it. So all it is asking the power. So I know the power is equal to dk upon dt, right? And k is the kinetic energy here, so that will be equal to mv square upon 2 dt. So m by 2 is constant, so it will come outside. So m by 2, and differentiation of v square with respect to t will be 2v upon dv by 2v into dv by dt. So this will get cancelled out, and from here you will get m v dv by dt. So the power is equal to this. So all I need to find this. So let us call this is the equation 1 here. Now I am trying to work on this equation now. So centripetal acceleration is equal to v square upon r. V is the speed here. That will be k square r into t square. From here I can see the v square is equal to r. I can take the right hand side. So that will become k square r square t square. If I do the integration, right, sorry, taking the differentiation both side with respect to t, so that will become 2v into dv by dt, and differentiation of this with respect to t will be equal to k square r square, and that will become 2t. So this 2 will get cancelled out, and from here we are getting v dv by dt is equal to k square r square into t. So let us solve this is equation 2 here. I can put the value of v dv by dt in the equation 1, and I will get m into v dv by dt is this, so that I will get k square r square into t. So this is nothing but equal to power. So I will say the power is coming this m k square r square into t. So let us see which option is matching. M k square r square into t. Option 2 is matching here. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.